Very good morning, children. I'm your sir. Here we go with the 12th volume of the chapter Internal Reconstruction. This will be the last volume on this particular chapter. Consider the last question. Question number 25 was given in May 2019. There are two equity shares in two groups of shares. One is the equity shares and the other is the preference shares. Bank overdraft is also there. You can find on liability and asset side, profit and loss account, goodwill compulsory to be erased. These two amounts should be written off compulsorily. Preference dividends are in arrears for 2 years, but it is given outside the balance sheet. Even if it is being cancelled, no entry need to be passed. But here if it is given, in that case if it is being cancelled, then you have to pass an entry. Pass journal entries and draft the company's balance sheet immediately after the construction by considering the following scheme of reconstruction. Equity shares are reduced to ₹5 per share fully paid, and to meet working capital requirement, the company issued 10,000 shares of ₹5 each for public subscription and was fully subscribed and money received. So there are two entries to be passed from this. Adhyavadappa, old equity shares na 3 lakhs being reduced to 5 each. So equity share capital account debit to equity share capital account no. So 30,000 shares into 5 each, that gives you 1,50,000. Still the balance amount transferred to capital reduction. We do one entry. Then for fresh issue of the shares to the public, only bank account debit to equity share capital account. Ali has to shares issue matadu 10,000 shares into 5 each. So that gives you 50,000. Okay. So from the point number 1, we need to pass two entries. That is done. Land and buildings should be valued at 2,20,000. See the land and buildings here, it is 1,60,000. Now should be valued at 2,20,000. So what is the appreciation thereby? So appreciation is there 60,000. That 60,000 will be credited to capital reduction account. Plant and machinery to be depreciated by 10%. This last entry minus credit. So this entry land and buildings account will be credit to capital reduction account. That is the appreciation being credited to capital reduction account. Coming to this point, trade creditors agreed to forego 25% of their claim on a condition that 25% of a net liability to be paid immediately. So how to calculate this, that we shall see now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ trade creditors account debit ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Give a credit to capital reduction account. 48,000 is the total liability trade creditors. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 25% ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that gives you 12,000. First you write in the credit column. Don't write the amount in the debit column. Take 12,000 on the credit column. Then to bank account. ಈಗ 48,000 minus 12,000 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು net liability ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 12,000 ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅದು they have sacrificed. So out of 48,000 minus 12,000 balance you are getting 36,000. Now this 36,000 into 25%. Okay, that is the amount being paid. Okay, paid immediately. So take up that amount, gives you 9,000. Here balance sheet list out of 48,000 you have to deduct 21,000. So balance 27,000 will be there in the balance sheet. Other 48,000 minus 21,000 which is being shown. Hope you understood that. Right? Then point number here, investments are taken over by bank in full settlement of the BOD. In full settlement. See the investments given here 24,000. But what is the bank overdraft given? 16,800. So 16,800 has to be paid, no doubt. Okay, but investments are taken over to that extent alone. Don't take entire 24,000. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, BOD account to investments account. So what is the point to be understood here is that it is given full settlement ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ what is the amount payable to BOD only 16,800 but what is the worth of the investments they are taking over 24,000 worth of investments they are taking over so 24 minus 16,800 so you'll be getting 7,200 that is the loss on that is a loss amount so investments 24 minus 16,800 so you'll be getting a loss ಆ ಲಾಸ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಪ್ 7,200 ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ BOD account debit to investments account. BOD account debit to investments account. Only that amount 16,800 you pay. Remaining amount investments adu ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 7,200 that is the capital credited to capital reduction account. Next reconstruction expenses amounted to 5,000. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ separate ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ reconstruction expenses account debit to bank account. But remember always ಈ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎನಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ to write off that another entry will be there in the last entry capital reduction account adana credit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು compulsory. Next point is given here preference shares holders agreed to give up their arrears of dividends subject to conversion of 9% preference shares into 11%. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು outside the balance sheet ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಲ್ಲ 2 years arrears ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಮರೆತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 9% ಇಂದ it should be increased to 11%. Okay. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ 9% ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಟು 11% ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದು 2 lakhs. The last entry capital reduction account debit ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ capital reduction account here is there 1,50,000. Next you can find here capital reduction account 60,000 and here 12,000. These three amounts 1,50,000, 60 plus 12,000 is being added here. That gives you 2,22,000. Give a credit to profit and loss account. That is amount to be erased. Here it is given. Then goodwill also you have to take 20,000. Okay. Then investments account, there is a loss is being entered, special item, be careful. Of course, this you have been aware, reconstruction expenses are the difference amount to capital reserve transfer matter. That is being transferred to capital reserve. So, the amount is 47,800 and this share capital you can find two amounts are there, credit madantadilli 1,50,000 equity share capital. Next, equity share capital, this is also a new which is being issued to public. So 1,50,000 plus 50, 2 lakhs ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ 2 lakhs. So our 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs gives you 4 lakhs. Then reserves, already I told you, only the cap reserve will appear. You unsecured creditors, unsecured creditors 80,000, so will appear here. Then trade payables is what I said, 48,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 21,000 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ 3,40,000, how you are getting that? You can see land and buildings. Yeah, I feel sorry for this. Here there is one more to be taken. Plant and machinery account, there is a depreciation to be charged. So 1,20,000 to 10% gives you 12,000. At 12,000 deduct madmele, still the balance you are getting 37,800 sorry 35,800 ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ 35,800 that's a cap reserve. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 5,42,800 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 2,20,000 that is the value. 2,20,000 is the value here at that with appreciation. Then plant and machinery to be depreciated by 10%. So the value of plant and machinery given is 1,20,000. In that minus 12,000, that is the depreciation. So balance 1,08,000. We have to say something 3,28,000. That is what it is. 3,28,000. And investments don't take because now entire investments is taken away by the bank. Apart from that, there is a current year investments nil. Then inventories 54,000 as it is. Trade receivables as it is, no change in that. And investment stock 54,000 is debtors 1,18,000 and there. But cash at bank, be careful. Old balance is there 6,800 plus 50,000. What is this 50,000? You can find here. Bank LLE debit agide anta. This is the new shares issued to the public 50,000 allon kade ide aita. So ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಂತದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 9,000. What is this 9,000? You can glance at credit ಆಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದು which is being paid to the trade creditors. 25% payment ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅದು 9,000 ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 reconstruction expenses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 6,800 plus 50,000 minus 9,000 minus 5,000 and still the balance you are getting. So this total you are getting 5,42,800 is the total. So pause it down and you can write down. Then ನಾನು change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 5,42,800. So the expected questions which may be covered for section A. Here this you can understand only once you go for a second chapter. In case of external reconstruction, company gets into liquidated, and there is a formation of a new company. Wherein under internal reconstruction, no such formation is there. So company will not go into liquidation and no new company is being formed. External reconstruction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ in external reconstruction one company is liquidated and one new company is being formed. The same company is reformed again. But internal reconstruction ಅಲ್ಲಿ no such liquidation is there and at the same time no formation of the company. Another thing, I hope this is a many times it is being asked, capital reduction account. And what is its use? Nominal account, capital reduction account, okay, in which all the amounts to the extent of which reduction is being made in various capitals and whatever the appreciation is being made in various assets is being credited and debts another liabilities are credited to this account. and all those assets and losses which are to be written off are debited to this account. Okay. So here there is one extra question. What is its use antidella? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So you can add up this extra sentence. Why it is used anta ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. What is its use? It helps in writing off of various losses and fictitious and overvalued assets. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ creditors as well as the shareholders are taken at one end, and that amount is being utilized in writing off of the various losses, fictitious assets as well as the overvalued assets. So that is the use here. Okay, what is its use? It helps in writing off of the various losses, fictitious assets and overvalued assets. So here, what is the entry passed when there is any increase, any appreciation is there, that is being credited always to the capital reduction account. So concerned asset account debit to capital reduction account. Supposing there is an increase in the value of land and buildings, so land and buildings account debit to capital reduction account. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಸಬ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 rupees ಇರೋ ಶೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 2 rupees ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ no extra, it is being subdivision. There is a subdivision ಅಂತ. Okay, be careful. Total capital remains the same, 1 lakh ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But 10 rupees value is divided into 2 rupees. Conversion is different, reduced is different, subdivision is different. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ subdivision ಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನಾವು subdivision ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Share capital account debit, that is a old 1 lakh. Give a credit to again share capital account 1 lakh here. See this? Both is same amount. There is no decrease in the value and which is being transferred to capital reduction account. Aita capital reduction account yavada amount transfer agilla. Adu important. Where there is a subdivision of the old shares into old shares are being share value, that is a face value is being subdivided. Right, the total amount remains the same. That you should be very, very careful. I hope remaining everything is the simple one to understand. This is a rare case. So what do you mean by premium value of the shares? Just a premium estimate. At the face value garu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ collect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ what we call as a issue of shares at premium ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Face value compared with the issue price. If the issue price is higher than the face value, we call that as premium. It is regarded as a capital profit. So don't get confused. It was a term. It's a simple term. The surrender of shares, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ some amount will be obtained back. If they doesn't surrender and they doesn't call, ultimately for future return. So by this we try concluding this particular chapter. We should go for the next chapter, the next class.